Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a web and graphics specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to use the transparency tool in GIMP. So I have this picture of my cat opened up in GIMP, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this image from a fully opaque image or to a non-opaque image into a transparent image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select just some of the colors in the floor beneath this cat and make it transparent so that whenever this image is on top of a background, the background will show through as part of the floor. So in order to do that, I am going to go into Layer, Transparency, and click Add Alpha Channel. That is going to add a transparent channel above this image so that I can create a transparent selection. And in order to do that, I'm going to go to Select and then by Color. And then I'm just going to click on the color that I want to make transparent. So I'll click on just any brown on this floor. And it'll make a selection of just that color. So it's got a lot of spots here that are all that color in this image. And I'm going to hold down, let's let that load. Okay. There we go, now it's selected. And now I'm going to clear that selection by going to Edit, Clear. You could also just hit the delete key. And because I added an alpha channel, that will delete that selection and make that part of my cat image transparent. Now I can save this file as a GIF or PNG, and it will be able to view the background of whatever this image is hovering over through the floor that I selected. That's how you use the transparency tool in GIMP. My name is Brian, and thanks for watching.